consider this given problem statement. So we need to compute the value of this particular expression. So in this expression we are having log of 9 base 2 whole squared, and this part, that is the power, here we are having 1 over log of base 2, and in the argument we are having log of 9 base 2 times square root of 7 to the power 1 over log 7 base 4, right? So this is the expression that we need to resolve. So we'll go step by step. So first of all, I'll be resolving this particular expression, right? So here what I will do, I'll consider this log of 9 base 2, this factor I'll consider this one as a. Now wherever the occurrence of log 9 base 2 is there, I'll replace that one by a, and this one also I'll replace it by a. Now if you observe this power 2 and this particular factor, this can be multiplied, right? So from this one we can write 2 over log base 2 of a. Now on proceeding further, so we can use the property of log, that is 1 over log a base 2 can be written as, this can be written as 2 times 2 times, and here we can write log of a, log of 2 base a. So this can be written as log 2 base a. So here we are using the property, we are using this property, that is if I have something like this, let's say we are having 1 over, let's say log b, right, and here we are having, let's say a. So this is the reason, actually this is the reason. So from here we can write, this property says that this argument and base can be exchanged. So log of a base b, so this particular property is employed in this, right? So that is already 2 times 1, so 1 over log of a base 2 is converted into this, right? Now again this 2 times log of 2 base a, this 2 can be written in the power of this argument, right? So again I'll go to the next step. So following this next step, so this one can be written as, this a is missing actually, so this one can be written as, that is this one as 2 square, right? This is the argument here. Now we know this property, whenever log of this base is same as the base written here, so in that case we can write simply this one as 2 square, which is equal to 4. So the first part is resolved. Now we'll be resolving the second part, right? Now here this is the second part that is given to us. So if you can observe this, if you can observe this one can be written as 7 to the power 1 by 2, 7 power 1 over 2. Now this one can be multiplied further, right? So this one can be multiplied further. So from this one we can write it as that this will be half, this is already multiplied here. So 1 by 2 times log 7 base 4, and again I'll be using this property, that is 1 over log b base a can be written as log of a base b, where base and argument gets exchanged, right? So considering the logarithmic system is defined, so from this one we can write this one as log argument 4 and base 7. Now from this we can write further that this 4 can be written as, this 4 can be written as 2 square, right? So we can write this one as 2 square definitely, and this particular factor, that is 1 by 2, this will come on the power of this 4, right? So again applying the log property, this half can be taken as the power of this argument, right? Now square root of 4 is something that we know it is 2 already. Now for this one we can write this one as 2, and again the same property, that whenever log base is same and this factor is also same, so in that case this one can be written as simply 2. Now we are having 2 and 4 as the simplified expression. So now from this one we can write that this particular expression, we are having their individual values. So first one is 4 and second factor is 8, so 4 times 2 is 8, so therefore 8 is the answer to this particular problem. So we have here, we have used this property, that is a power log of base a, and here it is b, so in that case the answer is the b itself, right? This is one property, and the other property is this one, right? That is the inverse property, or you can say this division property, that is 1 over log of b base a. So this argument and base gets exchanged in this. So using these simple steps, we have solved this particular problem statement.